Hello everyone, let's make a shell mold out of silicone putty.
This is silicone putty. It comes in two bottles, part A, part B, each 150 grams. It's from the brand Chemzist. So this is part A, which is white color, part B, blue color. So all you have to do is take equal amounts of part A and part B. I'm using a weighing scale for this, and for the shell I'm taking around 20 grams each, so total of 40 grams. Once you got equal amounts of part A and part B, mix the two together very nicely until it becomes one light blue color. I've kept the shell on a parchment paper and I'm now squishing the ball slowly from the middle first and then pressing it on the sides to ensure there are no air bubbles. There were no instructions on the bottle, so I had to ask the seller, and they said that you have to keep this to cure for around 15 to 20 minutes in room temperature. I left it for an hour. It's been an hour and the mold is very hard. It was ready in 30 minutes, but I just left it for another 30 minutes. Let's demold. And there you go. Check out the details of the mold. All the details of the shell has been captured really nicely. And now let's test it out with some resin. I poured some epoxy resin mixed with white pigment and left it to cure for 24 hours. It's been 24 hours, let's demold. So I've got no problems removing the shell piece, and there you go. It's a perfect replica of the original. It's captured all the details nicely and you really can't make out which is the real one, which is the resin piece. Final thoughts, starting with the pros. It does a great job of capturing every detail of the piece. It's ready very quickly, half an hour to 1 hour. Now to the cons. It is expensive. This bottle cost me around 1100 rupees. Secondly, you will always get a matte finish, not a glossy finish. And thirdly, you can use this only for small items and items which have a lot of engravings. I think it will suit that. Small pieces where you want to catch a lot of details, it's best suited for that. You can also use this putty for as a border. Maybe when you do half of your piece with resin and the other half with eco-resin to create a sort of a divide, you can use silicone putty there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link for this in the description box below. Please do subscribe, comment, like and share. I will see you soon in the next one.